Oh, and this is going to be a new vlog I like to call
Video vlog!
No, it's a vlog.
Video vlog!
And it's going to be called a water vlog, where I randomly vlog with water.
Oh, good God.
I'm bored, as you can see.
Yes, you are. Yes, I am. Yo, dude, what is up with this thing? This thing is weird.
Our straw looks dirty. Water vlogging!
Oh, Lord.
I don't see you coming up with a good idea here.
You said you were going to talk, but I don't know. I hate this thing.
Raise your hands like you don't care.
I don't care. I really don't.
Wave your hands. We need music.
Stephanie, I think you need a lot more than that.
Hey now. Water vlogging. Let's water vlog.
Oh, God.
Delicious.
Fabulous.
What are you doing over there?
Trying to upload my video.
She's having problems with uploading a video to our channel.
It is!
So you may not see a video from her for a while.
Oh, for a very long while. And according to this, for 44 minutes. 44 minutes! Oh, sweet Jesus.
What?
What are you doing over there?
I'm water vlogging. What do you think I'm doing? Having a picnic over here?
I don't know, you look like you're sticking your straw up your nose. I had to ask, okay?
No. I was sticking it out my mouth.
Well, that doesn't sound any more pleasant, honestly.
What's supposed to go in the mouth, isn't it? It's a straw.
That's not what some of our viewers are thinking.
And you're making them think that way now.
I can't help it. I speak the truth. And the truth sometimes ain't pretty.
Yeah, right. You don't speak the truth all the time.
Neither do you.
Yes, I do.
Do you now?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, I do.
How good do I look in these shorts?
Bad.
You suck.
Oh. This was from our skit. McBurger Town gone wrong.
12%!
And this should be called Uploading Gone Wrong.
This really should. I'm honestly, I'm pissed off now. I'm not joking. I'm really mad.
I know what this will be. Water vlog, Uploading Gone Wrong. That's a good title, isn't it?
You've lost your mind, haven't you?
No?
I knew it would come someday, but I'm just... It's come now, hasn't it?
No.
Do I need to call the people in the white coats, Stephanie?
No.
Okay, I'm just checking. Just... You're water vlogging and you're enjoying my pain. Usually people don't do that.
I'm trying to make this video interesting for fans.
By making them enjoy my pain?
I don't know, whatever they're into.
15%! I'm not going to live through this.
Oh, yes, you will.
No, I won't.
Well,
If this gets on YouTube, I'm going to be dead.
they
Or
won't.
worse. 33.
I doubt it.
16!
Well, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about this channel.
Stop now.
Tell your friends about these videos. Have a lovely and wonderful wonderful day.
Yeah, that's what someone with happiness would feel like, wouldn't it?
Shut up! I don't see you being all happy.
I'm not. I'm in pain. I'm at 17%.
Well, I guess
This is gonna take 58 more minutes.
I guess this will be a water vlog. I guess this will be uploading gone wrong.
I'm in pain. I really am. This is causing me chest pains.
Oh, really? Just take a deep breath.
I can't. That's right. I take a deep breath. I'll be dead.
Okay, bye.
No.
How long do you want this video to be?
I'm at 18%.
Oh my goodness. Well, this is just lovely. I think she wants to vlog until it's over.
I don't want to vlog, and it's video vlog.
It's vlogging.
Oh, vlog you. 19%.
Hello. Hello, Governor.
I'm never gonna get through this.
Hello, Governor.
Oh my god, I think I know what childbirth is like. It's like...
You do not know what childbirth is like.
Really? It's painful and it takes forever.
How would you know? How would you know that?
My mom showed me her video. It wasn't good. It was not good.
Why would she show you that?
Actually, no. I think I saw a video on childbirth in my health class. That wasn't pretty either.
Of course it's not.
But I got the thing that it's painful and it takes forever. I'm thinking I'm witnessing childbirth right now. The upload, I'm at 21% on my uploading.
Oh, poor you.
Oh, just wait. Stephanie, just
Wait, what?
wait for me to come over there.
Why? You can't. You're missing something.
Like what?
The other thing that goes on your eyes. I think she's having a blonde moment when she's not blonde.
I'm not. I am blonde, and I'm dirty blonde, and I'm not having a blonde moment. I'm having problems.
Well, maybe YouTube can help you. Can you tell her what's going on with the uploading?
Oh, there's something deeply wrong with this. 24%.
Well,
Oh, I think I'm having a migraine. Yes, I'm definitely witnessing childbirth. This is painful and it is taking forever. This is childbirth right now. 25%. Oh Lord. Oh.
I wonder if anybody we know is watching our videos.
Why would they?
I don't know.
So they can witness the childbirth that I'm witnessing now?
There's no childbirth going on. It's uploading a video.
It's painful and it's taking forever. This is exactly like childbirth.
No, I believe it's not.
26%.
Goodbye.
No.
We are having technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties, my ass. It's like a freaking job. It's like a freaking job broke down.
Now you're making my head hurt.
Good.
Thank
now
you.
You're witnessing the pain that I am feeling. Oh. This has been a bad video.
I went down the wrong way.
Karma is a bitch, isn't it?
Why would I have karma?
'Cause
I didn't do anything.
yes, you did.
What did I do?
Piss me off.
No, I didn't.
The universe is getting back at you in my favor.
I doubt it.
I believe strongly in karma, Stephanie.
I don't.
Oh, just wait, Stephanie.
I don't believe in that.
This is my voodoo dance.
And you are gonna fool me.
Wait till that straw goes in your eye. It's gonna be funnier than all hell.
It's not gonna go in my eye.
Sure it isn't. Don't challenge me. I will beat you every single time.
So this is gonna be a burping challenge now?
I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, I'm clearly winning.
No. I didn't like that burp.
Oh, no one liked that burp.
Oh. No more water. Well,
On the bright side, I'm at 32%.
That's been fun chatting with you guys. Through really?
Oh. What was that?
I don't know.
Oh, that was a baby kitten's meow. That was like what that was. How many minutes are we at so far?
Almost 12.
Oh, good. Now our viewers can watch random crap.
No, this could be called uploading gone wrong. With some burps.
Which ones are better, Stephanie?
I don't care.
Mine are. Good.
Oh, man.
Glad you agree.
No, I did not say that. I said I don't care.
Which means mine, which I think mine's are obviously better. So since you don't care,
Oh,
you're a moron.
No.
I want baloney.
Well, get yourself home.
Can you get me another Pepsi?
Oh no.
Why?
Because one a day.
That's it. I'm going back to my house.
Alright, ta-ta. See ya.
I want real soda. Actually, this is real soda. Delicious soda. I drink diet. Oh. Did you know? Here's a fun fact. That diet soda is proven to cause cancer.
Well then, why do you drink it?
You know what? Nowadays, everything causes cancer. I mean, I'm not going to let that stop me. I mean, now ham can cause cancer. Did you see that?
No.
It's kind of.
And I'm not worried right now.
It's kind of stupid. Everything can cause it now, and it's sad.
Go organic. That's what I say.
No one has the money to do that. Have you seen the economy?
They'll make it work.
Make it work. Do you know how much pesticide is on fruit?
Yeah, that's why you go organic and there's no fuss, no mess.
No. You wash off your fruits and you cook them.
That's why they go organic.
No, that's not why people go organic.
I think it is. And plus they would be more healthier.
More healthier? It's the same fruit.
No, I believe it's not.
No, it is.
No.
You wash it off, it's the same fruit.
No.
Yes. Don't give me that crap. Oh, this has just been a terrible video.
What?
This has been a terrible video.
We are bored. They're going to clearly see that.
Okay, so far we've discovered that uploading a 3-minute video is taking 56 more minutes, and that my burps are clearly better. You're bad at meditating. Diet soda can cause cancer, and you want everyone to go organic.
Why not?
That's what we've covered in this whole video. Do you realize this?
Oh well. This will be uploading gone wrong.
This is the saddest video I've ever been a part of.
Well, I don't see you coming up with a good idea.
Stephanie, I did my good idea. This is what I'm uploading right now. My good idea is uploading. It's taking an eternity to upload, but it is uploading. Do you understand me? It is uploading.
She's angry!
I am angry. Oh my god, this is gonna be a She's Angry video too. Good god. Okay, so we're up to burping again. She's angry, so that causes cancer. She's going organic. Water, my burps are better, and uploading sucks.
On there it does.
Yes, it does.
Well, this video is gonna go uploaded real fast. I hope.
How long is it now?